I'm a massive fan of the sidecar cocktail. Today I'm going to make a rum version. It's called the Outrigger. Hi everybody, so I love a sidecar cocktail. I'm going to leave a link here or here to one of the videos that I've done of the sidecar cocktail, but I'm a massive lover of rum as well. So today I'm going to make a twist on that sidecar, and it's called the Outrigger. I'm not sure who created it. One thing that I do know is this drink is beautiful. I'm a massive rum fan. And another thing that I like about it is it's pretty boozy. This is even stronger than the sidecar. It calls for 60 mils or 2 ounces of aged rum. Today, I'm going to use the Havana Club Extra Añejo. Special shout out to all my friends from Pernod Ricard. Next up, 30 mils of a triple sec or 1 ounce. I'm going to use Cointreau. This is our house, I guess, triple sec here at the 18th Amendment Bar. And last but not least, 15 mils or half an ounce of lemon juice. Add some ice to your shaker. Give it a good shake. I'm going to double strain this into my chilled Nick and Nora glass. Now normally in a sidecar you have a lemon twist. I think I'm going to use an orange twist as a garnish for this one because I think it'll go really nicely with the rum. And also you already have the triple sec, which is the orange flavour. Just a small one there, but I'm going to discard. Sometimes I don't like things just floating around in my drink. All right, let's try this. The Outrigger. Ooh, that's boozy. I mean, this is dangerous. 3 shots of alcohol. However, very well balanced. I was surprised. I was wondering why there was only 15 mils of the lemon juice. That sourness is just exactly on point. The rum is definitely coming through. The Cointreau, not so much. It's just beautiful. It's just sitting there in the back, hovering around, doing what it should. That's a really good drink. Do you know of any other versions of the sidecar? If you do, please comment below. And guys, please like, subscribe. See you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.